Hello and welcome back to my computer. Apparently 500 of you have subscribed to me. Thank you for that. And I couldn't find I found some tutorials on doing a YouTube button, but well, what the heck? Let's do a YouTube play button. I'm gonna insert a canvas on our normal plane here, like that. We're gonna look from the top, which things a bit easier. Step number 1, calibrate canvas. We need to do the canvas in the size we want it to be. We're gonna do from that side to that side. Let's do it 110 millimeters. We are changing our region is basically the middle of everything, so we are starting to do some sketches. Let's do some construction lines to help us. One in this direction, and that was 2 lines. Fusion loves to do 2 lines. Let's do one line like that, and another line like this, and then constrain them. Let's do it like you're supposed to do it. Midpoint. Midpoint. We shall dimension this one. It should be 110. Let's dimension that one. 78. New 76. Yeah, that looks good. Good. Let's hide dimensions. We don't need to see them. Now we have our points. Why to do them? I'm going to use fit points. We call it fit point spline. Yeah, strange name. You see people using splines over time and do a lot of points. I'm only going to do 4 points because there are 4 sides and 4 corners. Normally I don't need more if I don't have a really strange curvature. So we're going to do like this, here, here, and here. And for some reason I was in construction. Let's change that. Like that, and we're gonna now edit this thing, but to make it easy for ourselves, we are going to make sure first of all that these are horizontal so they don't go flying around, and horizontal and vertical, sorry. And we're also going to make these two equal, that equal to that, that equal to that one. That means we don't need to spend so much time moving things around. We can take one handle here and start pulling and both sides move. And now we can try to find, that's a bit too much. We're going to move that a bit down. Oops, not like that. Let's move it up, move it down. We can play around with splines as long as you want. You can spend hours trying to get things right. I'm just trying to get close. I want you a bit down like that. Yeah, I think I'm quite pleased there. Yeah, let's do it. We're going to make a triangle. This is not an equilateral triangle, I can tell you that. I have tried this earlier. Let's do like that. Make sure that's vertical. Make sure these two are equal. And by doing that, it moves like that. It moves like that. Yes, good. Now we can move that point where we want it. We can take this point and move it in like that. I will not fully constrain the sketch as it's just for playing around with 3D printing. And we are done. Finished sketch. Extrude. A beautiful little profile. And I need it to be going to fit in a frame, which you're going to see later. 8 millimeters. Yeah, let's do that. And we're going to create a simple fillet. I think we're going to do it on all these sides and do it quite aggressive. Let's do it all the way. Let's take away our canvas. Have a look at it like that. Maybe a bit too much in the middle, so let's do that. I will not take this now. I will do a new fillet on these 3 corners, not the sharp corners of a triangle, because then it's no longer a triangle. 4. So, turn off sketch. That's my play button. Now we'll do some 3D printing and put it in a frame. So with that, I'd like to say thank you to you who are watching my videos, and take care.